If you're hunting for the perfect gift this holiday season, you don't need to break the bank. 2025's best smart gadgets under $100 are here and they pack more punch than ever. From earbuds with spatial audio to budget smartwatches, from portable power banks to smart home gear, this Black Friday cycle might be the best time to gift tech without emptying your wallet. First up, wireless earbuds with noise cancellation have dropped dramatically in price while still delivering crisp audio and long battery life. Ideal for music fans, travelers, or anyone stuck in noisy commutes. Some 2025 models even offer app-guided equalizers, touch controls, and multi-point Bluetooth so they work seamlessly with phones and laptops. Next, smartwatches and fitness bands under $100 in 2025 are far more capable than their predecessors. You can get heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, step counts, and even phone notification alerts. For someone just diving into health tracking or wanting a stylish wearable without overspending, these hit the sweet spot. Then there are portable chargers and power banks. Power banks with multiple USB Circa PD ports, enough capacity for 2 to 3 smartphone charges, LED screen indicators, excellent gifts for travelers, students, or daily commuters. Add in a budget Bluetooth speaker or compact wireless speaker. Nowadays some of these little speakers punch well above their cost, with strong bass, water resistance, and solid battery life, perfect for dorms, kitchens, or travel. Smart home gadgets also shine in this price bracket. Think smart plugs, LED smart bulbs, or Wi-Fi enabled plugs, cheap, practical, and plug and play for users new to smart home tech. These small devices make thoughtful gifts, especially for parents or those getting into home automation for the first time. And finally, budget keyboard mouse combos or PC accessories for casual gamers or students. 2025 accessories often feature RGB lighting, ergonomic design, and reliable build, a great tech gift for someone building their first PC or upgrading on a budget. So this holiday season, you can assemble a gift bundle under $100 that covers most bases: audio, wearable, power, and smart home, practical, useful, and appreciated. If you're watching this because you want to gift tech that won't go obsolete fast, or just want budget-friendly gadgets that feel premium, any of the picks from this list would make an excellent choice. Drop a comment below telling me your gift budget and I'll suggest the best smart bundle for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Digital Dive, and hit the bell. I'm bringing more tech gift guides, product reviews, and holiday-ready deals for USA viewers this season.